If you've been approved for a line of credit on Wealthsimple, but aren't sure how to actually use it, this video will walk you through everything step by step. By the end, you'll know how to borrow, where the money goes, and what to watch out for so you don't make costly mistakes. Let's get into it. First, open the Wealthsimple app and log into your account. Once you're in, look for your line of credit account. It should be listed alongside your other accounts, like your cash account or investments. Tap into it. Right away, you'll see a few key things: your available credit, your current balance, and your interest rate. Before borrowing anything, take a second to understand this. Your available credit is how much you can borrow. Your balance is what you already owe. And your interest rate is what you'll be charged on any amount you use. Now, to actually use your line of credit, tap the option that says something like borrow or transfer funds. From here, you'll choose how much money you want to use. Enter the amount carefully. Just because you can borrow the full limit doesn't mean you should. Interest starts building right away on whatever you take. After entering the amount, you'll choose where the money goes. Most of the time, you'll send it to your Wealthsimple cash account or a linked bank account. Select your preferred destination. Then review everything. Double-check the amount and where it's being sent. Once you confirm, the transfer is processed. In many cases, it shows up pretty quickly, sometimes within minutes depending on the setup. Now you've officially used your line of credit. One important thing to keep in mind: this is borrowed money, not free money. Interest starts accumulating daily, so it's important to stay aware of your balance. If you want a full step-by-step on how to repay your line of credit properly, I've made a separate video covering that in detail. You can find it linked in the description below. If this helped you understand it more clearly, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for simple, no-fluff tutorials like this.